Welcome back to my channel JBR Online Classes. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.
Hello everyone. So today I am going to solve ICSE 2019 maths paper. So here first section A. So there is 40 marks and it's compulsory portion. So here sum number 1. Solve the following inequation and write down the solution set. So here 11x minus 4 less than 15x plus 4 less than equal to 13x plus 14. That is the given inequation. So first you have to do that. First you have to cover this portion, then you will get the equation, and then you cover that portion, then you will get the another equation. So if you cover the right portion, then you will get 11x minus 4 less than equal to 15x plus 4, and if you cover the left portion, then you will get 15x plus 4 less than equal to 13x plus 4. Now we are going to solve these two equations. So from the left one, here minus 4x less than equal to 4 plus 4, that becomes 8. So minus x less than equal to 8 by 4. So minus x less than 2. Now if you multiply minus in both sides, then it will be x less than will be changed into greater than, and it's minus 2. Okay, so x greater than minus 2. Now the right side portion, here 15x minus 13x, that becomes 2x less than equal to 14 minus 4, that becomes 10. So x less than equal to 5. Okay, here x greater than equal to minus 2, here x less than equal to 5. That means here minus 2 less than x less than equal to 5. Okay, now next you have to find out the solution set. So solution set equal to, first write down here second bracket, and the value, the lower boundation is minus 2, upper boundation less than equal to 5. Okay, so that means minus 1, 0, after that 1, 2, 3, 4, and here less than equal to 5. So write down here 5 also, second bracket close. That is the solution set. Okay, now if you want to put it in the number line, then just draw a line. Suppose this one 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to 6. The left one minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. So now just mark 1 as minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so that is the final answer. Okay, now sum number 2 from shares and dividend, and in your ICSE 2021 it was not in your syllabus, so that's why I am going to solve sum number 3. In sum number 3, in a class of 40 students, marks obtained by the student in a class test out of 10 are given below. So here the marks 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 10. Here number of students are 1, 2, 3, 3, 6, 10, 5, 4, 3, 3. Okay, calculate the following for the given distribution, median and mode. So first here we have to find the cumulative frequency. Okay, so to find out the cumulative frequency, first this one will be same, so write down here 1. Now next 1 plus 2, that becomes 3, then 3 plus 3, that becomes 6, 6 plus 3, that equal to 9, 9 plus 6, that equal to 15, 15 plus 10, that equal to 25, 25 plus 5, that equal to 30, 30 plus 4, that equal to 34, 34 plus 3, that equal to 37, 37 plus 3, that equal to 40. Okay, so that are the cumulative frequency. Now here the last number is the value of n. So here n equal to 40, and as 40 is a even number, so for the first one, median, so the formula of median will be first n by 2th observation plus n by 2 plus 1th observation, then divided by 2. So here n by 2th observation, that means 20th observation. So here n by 2, that means 20th observation plus 21st observation. So here up to 15th observation the value equal to 5. Then from 16 to 25, okay, from 16 to 25 observation the value equal to 6. Okay, so here 20th observation, that means where the value equal to 6, and 21 also 6. So that means here 6 plus 6 by 2, that equals to 6. So that is the first answer. Now second one, you have to find out the mode. Okay, now mode means the highest frequency. So where is the highest frequency? Here the highest frequency is 10. Okay, so here the mode is with respect to 10, that means 6. So mode also 6. Sum number 2. Using the factor theorem, so that x minus 2 is a factor of x cube plus x square minus 4x minus 4. Hence, factorize the polynomial completely. Okay, so here the given given polynomial, that is fx. So fx equal to x cube plus x square minus 4x minus 4. And as x minus 2 is a factor, okay, as x minus 2 is a factor, that means x minus 2 equal to 0, and from that x equal to 2. So here f2 equal to 2 cube plus 2 square minus 4 into 2 minus 4. Okay, as the value of x equal to 2, so just put down the value of x, that means 2, in the given polynomial. So here 2 cube plus 2 square minus 1. So now here 2 cube means 8, then 2 square equal to 4, then again 8 minus 4, so that equal to 0. Okay, so that means x minus, as f2 equal to 0, that means x minus 2 is the factor. Now hence factorize this polynomial by x minus 2 completely. So here x minus 2 divided this polynomial. So first x square into x, that becomes x cube minus 2x square minus plus, so it will be 3x square minus 4x. Okay, now as here is x and here 3x square, so you have to multiply with plus 3x to get 3x square. X into 3x, you will get 3x square. Okay, then 3x into 2, 6x, then minus plus, so that will be 2x, and that one minus 4. Now next one, make it 2x, so x into 2, so it becomes 2x minus 4. Okay, so x cube plus x square minus 4x minus 4, that equal to x minus 2 into x square plus 3x plus 2. Okay, now if you factorize this equation, or this, sorry, if you factorize this polynomial by middle term factorization method, then you will get x plus 2 and x plus 1 also. So the final factors of this polynomial equal to x minus 2 into x plus 2 into x plus 1. Now sum number 2. Prove that cosec theta minus sin theta into sec theta minus cos theta into tan theta plus cot theta equal to 1. Okay, so here now cosec theta means 1 by sin theta, as cosec theta is the reciprocal of sin theta. Then sec theta means also 1 by cos theta. Okay, so cosec transform into sin, sec also cos. Now here tan means sin theta by cos theta, and cot theta means the opposite of tan, that means cos theta by sin theta. Okay, now here the LCM is sin theta, so it becomes 1 minus sin square theta. Here LCM cos theta, so it becomes 1 minus cos square theta, and here LCM sin theta cos theta. Okay, so cos theta cancel out, then sin into sin, sin square theta plus cos square theta. Okay, now 1 minus sin square theta is the formula of cos square theta, as sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1, that's why 1 minus sin square theta equal to cos square theta divided by sin theta. Here also 1 minus cos square theta equal to sin square theta divided by cos theta, and sin square theta plus cos square theta, that equal to 1, so write down here 1 sin theta into cos theta. Sin theta cancel out with 1, then again sin theta, then cos theta into cos theta, cos square theta, cancel out. So it becomes 1. That means proved. Okay, now sum number 2, 3. In an arithmetic progression or AP, the 4th and 6th term is 8 and 14 respectively. So 4th term means A4 equal to 8, and 6th term, that means A6 equal to 14. Find the first term common difference and sum of the first 20 sums. Okay, so here A4 equal to 8 and A6 equal to 14. Now you know the formula an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, here d means common difference. So here A4 equal to 8, that means here a plus 3d equal to 8. As a is the first term, 3 means n minus 1, as the value of n equal to 4, that's why 4 minus 1, so 3d, and that equal to 8. That means also A6 means a plus 5d, that equal to 14. So here a plus 3d equal to 8, a plus 5d equal to 14. So just a plus 5d equal to 14, subtract a plus 3d, that equal to 8. So a cancel out, 5d minus 3d, that equal to 2d, it becomes 6. So d equal to 3. That means common difference equal to 3. So now if d equal to 3, just put down the value of d in any one equation and you will get the value of a. That means here 8 means 3d, 3 into 3, that means 9. Okay, so here a equal to minus 1. So that is the first answer. Here the first term will be minus 1 and the common difference equal to 3. Now the third. Here the third question is, you have to also find out the sum of the first 20 terms. Sum of the first 20 terms. That means here you can apply the formula Sn. What is the formula of Sn? Sn equal to n by 2, then 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay. Now Sn means here S20. So that means 20 by 2. And here 2a, that means 2 into minus 1. So minus 2. Then 20 minus 1 is 19. Then 19 into d. D means 3. Okay. So that equal to 10 minus 2 and 19 is equal to 57. So 57 minus 2, then 55. 55 into 10, 550. So 550 is the final answer. Now sum number 3a. Simplify sin into sin a minus cos a sin a plus cos into cos a sin a minus sin a cos a. Okay. So first here you have to multiply sin into sin, it becomes sin square. Then here minus sin a cos a. Then sin into cos, sin a cos a, and then sin into sin, it becomes sin square. Okay, that means here you have to multiply each and every element of that matrix with sin a. Then again cos, so cos into cos, cos square a, cos into sin a, so sin a cos a, then cos into sin a, minus sin a cos a, and last one cos square a. Okay. Now here there are two matrices, first one and second one. Now you have to add or added these two matrices. So whenever you add two matrices, that means you have to add each and every element by their place wise. That means here first you have to add sin square and cos square. Okay. Then you have to add this one with this one. You can't add this element of this matrix with this one. Okay. Always you have to add each and every element by their place wise. So here sin square plus cos square. So write down here sin square a plus cos square a. Next one minus sin a cos a plus sin a cos a. After that sin a cos a, then minus sin a cos a. And last one sin square a plus cos square a. Okay. So sin square a plus cos square a, that becomes 1. It will be 0. Here also 0. So 0, 0, and last one also 1. So the final matrix equal to 1, 0, 0, 1. Sum number 3b. M and N are 2 points on the x-axis and y-axis respectively. Okay, and P32 divide the line segment MN in the ratio 2:3. In the ratio 2:3. Okay, now as M is the point on the x-axis, so let the coordinate of point A, suppose A comma 0. Okay, and coordinate of point N, it's 0 comma B. Okay, when the point lies on the x-axis, then y coordinate will be 0. When the point lie on the y-axis, then x coordinate always 0. So here let the coordinate of M point A comma 0 and coordinate of N point 0 comma B. Okay. Now as here this point P32 divides the line segment MN, divides the line segment, suppose this one M line segment, here P, so P32, okay, divide into 2:3 part. Okay, so that means here 3 equal to, what is the formula? mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n, and then y coordinate, that means 2 equal to my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. Okay, that is the formula if a point divides a straight line into m:n. So now, sorry, it's 3 mx2, so value of m equal to 2 and x2 equal to n coordinate, that means 0. So 2 into 0 plus 3 into a, n equal to 3 and x1 equal to that one, so this one x1 y1, this one x2 y2. Okay, and here m plus n, so 2 plus 3. There also 2 equal to 2 into b plus 3 into 0 divided by 2 plus 3. So from that equation, 5 into 3 15, 15 equal to 3a, so a equal to 5, and from that 10 equal to 2b, so b equal to also 5. So here the first question, the coordinates of m and n. So here the coordinates of m equal to 5 comma 0 and coordinates of n equal to 0 comma 5. That is the first answer. Now next one, find out the slope of mn. Okay, so to find out the slope of mn, that means 2 point, here the formula, slope formula, it's y2 minus y1 then divided by x2 minus x1. So what is the value of y2? Here y2 equal to 5 minus y1 equal to 0, then x2 equal to 0, x1 equal to 5. So that means 5 by minus 5, that equal to minus 1. So minus 1 is the slope. So sum number 3C from the problem, it's a spare problem. So in your ICSE 2021, it was not in your syllabus. So that's why I am going to solve sum number 4A. Okay, in sum number 4A, the following numbers k plus 3, k plus 2, 3k minus 7 and the last one 2k minus 3 are in proportion. Find the value of k. So here k plus 3, k plus 2, 3k minus 7 and 2k minus 3 are in proportion. That means the formula, if 4 numbers are in proportion, so the product of first and last will be equal to the product of second and third. Okay, I repeat, the product of first and third, that means k plus 3 into 2k minus 3 equal to product of second and third. Okay, so now multiply 2k square, 6k minus 3k minus 9, here 3k square, 6k minus 7k minus 14, 6k will cancel out, so 2k square minus k 3k square, that becomes minus k square, here minus 3k, so it becomes 4k minus 9 plus 14, so it becomes plus 5. So now if you multiply minus in both sides, it becomes k square minus 4k minus 5, that equal to 0. Now by middle term factorization you will get k plus 1 into k minus 5. So from that k equal to minus 1 or k equal to 5. That is the answer. Now sum number 4b. Solve for x the quadratic equation x square minus 4x minus 8 equal to 0. Give your answer correct to 3 significant figure. Okay, so here x square minus 4x minus 8 equal to 0 given quadratic equation, and if you compare this equation with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, then you will get a equal to 1, b equal to minus 4 and c equal to minus 8. Now here we apply the Sridhar-Acharya formula. So here x equal to, first write down the formula, minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Now put down the value of a, b, c in the respective place. So here b equal to minus 4, so minus into minus, that becomes plus, so plus 4, plus minus root over minus 4 whole square 16, then 4 into a into c, so 4 into 1 into minus 8. Okay, so that becomes plus 32. This minus and minus equal to plus, 4 into 8 32. Now 2 into a, so only 2, as 2 into 1 2. So 4 plus minus root over 48 by 2. Now the value of root 48 equal to 6.928. So by 2, so x equal to, first one 4 plus 6.928 by 2, or x equal to 4 minus 6.928 by 2. So for the first one 10.928 by 2, and from that 5.464, and here minus 2.928 by 2, and from that minus 1.464. So here x equal to 5.464 and minus 1.464 is the answer, correct up to 3 significant figures. Now the next problem 4c is a construction, use ruler and the compass, only the necessary measuring. So you have to draw a circle. I hope you can do this. So in the next part we are going to solve section B. Okay, so if you like my video, please do share and please subscribe my channel for the next videos.